Hey guys, Josiah here, and we're back with another 12 Days of Christmas video. And you might be watching this at some other time of the year, and I hope you're having a great day. But if it is Christmas for you, or if it is the holidays, I hope you're having a great holiday season. We're counting down from 12 days all the way down to 1, and we're on day 4, okay? We've had a lot of videos already air, and I want you to go check those out if you haven't seen them yet. They're right in this playlist here. All right, so check those out. A lot of great tips and tricks coming your way. Today, day 4, 4 things photographers need to keep in their car, okay? Let's go through and I'll show you what each of these things are. And these are actually all things that are in my car. And I was thinking about things that, you know, what might be helpful for photographers, and stuff to keep in your trunk, stuff to keep in your car. Figured it was a good time to share. So, number 1 thing, pop-up changing tent. Guys, this is a cool little item. I've linked this below to Amazon as well. It might be an affiliate link, it might not be, I'm not really sure, but let's just assume it is. And yeah, pop-up changing tent. This is great, guys, for engagement sessions or portrait sessions where you're out and your client needs to change and you're in a public space, or you're in the middle of nowhere and there's no bathroom, no place to change, or it's easier than changing in a car. You can just take this pop-up tent out, unfold it, pops right up, and they can unzip, step right in, change, unzip, come right back out, and you're good to go. I've used this a few times. One in the middle of Philadelphia, perfect. Came in clutch for there. And I actually got this because of an engagement session that I was shooting out in the middle of freaking nowhere to change. So it was great there too. So super helpful item, okay? Item number 2, we're all familiar with these 5-in-1 reflectors. You never know when you're gonna need a little bounce light, when you're gonna need a flag to, you know, make some more shadows on one side of the face or block out some sun, or when you're gonna need some diffusion. These come in so handy, so handy. So you never know when you're going to need these, but it's a great thing to keep in your car just in case, because it's not something we use all the time, but when we need it, I know we have it because it's in my car, guys. It's just in my car. So get one of these. They're really cheap on Amazon. Links below. 3rd thing you should keep in your car is white or clear umbrellas. These are also something that come in handy on wedding days or at engagement session or portrait sessions. When it rains out of nowhere, just might start raining. If you have a handful of clear umbrellas or white umbrellas, they're great for bridal parties. They're great for brides and grooms. They're great for couples shoots. So having these in your car, your clients will love you for having these, coming prepared. We don't always bring enough for bridal party. We always just want to make sure that we have a few for the bride and the groom, and maybe an umbrella or 2 for us. Those don't have to be white. They can be black, blue, whatever you want to have. But definitely get white or clear. If you get a black one, they might look nice, but they actually block out a whole lot of light. So if you get a white or clear, it'll actually diffuse some light, and it'll make photographing your couple a little bit easier than if they were under a black or blue umbrella. So get some umbrellas, keep them in your car. Again, link to these are on Amazon. Last thing that you need, 4th item, are sandbags. Sandbags, I hate sandbags. They're heavy, they're awkward, they're not fun to carry in. Sometimes if you get bad ones, they leak some sand. Not great, okay? They can cause a little bit of a mess. So make sure you get some good ones. I've linked to a few in the description below, but sandbags come in handy when you are in a very kind of crowded area, but you need to put up a flash stand, or you're outside shooting with some flash and you have an umbrella, or you have a softbox or something, and you want to make sure that you didn't just create a giant sail. You don't want that thing to fly away, so put a sandbag on it, and maybe 2 sandbags on it just to be safe. And these sandbags come in handy in those cases. We've had a lot of people knock down stands at weddings with flashes on it. Flash is completely broken. So you get a sandbag, toss it on there. People won't be tripping over your stands. And if they do snag it, then hopefully it doesn't fall down because it's bottom heavy now instead of top heavy. So sandbags are really helpful. So again, all 4 of those items are in the description in the description below. That's what I'm trying to say. Apparently I can't talk today. Linked in the description below, that's where they're at. So go check those out. All of them are pretty affordable, pretty cheap, and all come in really handy in a pinch. So hope this was helpful. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that bell so that you're notified when I release some more videos on this channel. And we have a couple days left in this 12 Days of Christmas series, so I hope to see you guys watching those. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for the next video in the series. Take care.